Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get Roblox voice chat back after being suspended. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, to address an issue with your Roblox account, start by visiting roblox.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the address bar at the top of your browser and remove Home from the URL, replace it with Support and press Enter. This will take you to the Roblox support form. On the support form, begin by filling in the necessary details. You can skip the first name field if you prefer, but make sure to enter a valid email address and confirm it. This is important as Roblox will use this email to contact you. Next, proceed to the Issue Details section. Here, select the device you are currently using Roblox on from the drop-down menu. Then, in the Type of Help category drop-down, choose Moderation. This action will reveal a second drop-down menu where you should select Appeal Account. In the description box, you need to provide a brief explanation of your issue. You can use the following template or modify it to suit your situation. To Roblox support team. After checking your community guidelines, I can see I have not violated any community standards and would appreciate if you could look into removing my voice chat suspension. Thanks. Once you have entered your email address and description, click the Submit button at the bottom of the form. Typically, Roblox support will respond within about 48 hours. Keep an eye on your email for their reply. If you have not violated any community guidelines, they will review your account and, if appropriate, lift the voice chat suspension. So that's basically how to get Roblox voice chat back after being suspended. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.